Hello friends, my name is Prathamesh. In this video, we will be looking some interview questions of DBMS and SQL. First question is, what is DBMS? Database Management System. DBMS is a program that controls creation, maintenance and use of database. DBMS can be termed as file manager that manages data in a database rather than saving in its file system. What is the RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. RDBMS stores the data into the collection of tables which is related by common fields between the columns of the table. It is also provides relational operators to manipulate the data stored into the tables. The example of the RDBMS is SQL Server. Next is, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language and it is used to communicate with the database. This is the standard language used to perform tasks such as retrieval, updation, insertion and deletion of the data from database. Next question is, what is database? A database is nothing but an organized form of data for easy access, storing, retrieval and managing of data. This is also known as a structured form of data which can be accessed in many ways. School management database, bank management database. Next question is, what are the tables and fields? A table is a set of data that are organized in a model with the columns and rows. Columns can be categorized as a vertical and rows are horizontal. A table has a specified number of columns called fields but can have any number of rows which is called record. Example, a table employee field which has fields employee ID, employee name and date of birth. The employee ID would be 201456, the name would be David and date of birth would be 11/15/1960. Next question is, what is primary key? A primary key is a combination of fields which is uniquely specify a row. This is a special kind of unique key and it has implicit not null constraint. It means primary key values cannot be null. Next question is, what is unique key? A unique key constraint uniquely identified each record in the database. This provides uniqueness for the column or the set of columns. A primary key constraints as automatic unique constraint defined on it, but not in the case of unique key. There can be many unique constraints defined per table, but only one primary key constraint defined per table. Next question is, what is foreign key? A foreign key is a one table which can be related to the primary key of the another table. Relationship needs to be created between two tables by referencing foreign key with the primary key of the another table. Next question is, what is join? This is a keyword used to query data from more tables based on the relationship between the fields of the tables. Key plays a major role when joins are used. Next question is, what are the types of the joins and explain each. There are various types of join which can be used to retrieve data and it depends on the relationship between tables. First is inner join. Inner join returns rows when there is at least one match of rows between the tables. Next is right join. Right join returns rows which are common between tables and all rows of the right hand side table. Simply it returns all the rows from the right hand side table even though there are no matches in the left hand side table. Another is left join. Left join return rows which are common between the tables and all rows of left hand side table. Simply it returns all the rows from the left hand side table even though there are no matches in the right hand side table. And the last is full join. Full join return rows when there are matching rows in any one of the tables. This means it returns all the rows from the left hand side table and all the rows from the right hand side table. Next question is, what is normalization? Normalization is the process of minimizing redundancy and dependency by organizing fields and tables of a database. The main aim of normalization is to add, delete or modify fields that can be made in single table.